Hello, so today I have some gel polishes from Madame Glam, and this is the Confetti Dreams collection. I have 5 polishes from that collection, which was their New Year's collection this year. This is the Korean formula, so I am so dying to try these. I have been wanting to try Korean gels for the longest time, and these have been authentically made in Korea as well, which is important to note. The first colour I'm going to get into is this nude, and this is called New Me. So this is a creamy opaque nude. For each colour I'm going to do 2 coats. I think there was one colour that I didn't do 2 coats, it just didn't need it. But 2 coats, and then I'm going to show them all top coated at the end and give my opinions on them as I go. So this one is nice and opaque straight away. As soon as you start painting on, you can see how opaque it is. That was for me, it was hard to pick which gels to pick out of this collection, but I wanted to do a mix of dark and light. And yeah, so this one is the first coat of that is just going to go into the lamp now, and then I will come back and show you the second one. So the next colour up is called Urban Green, and I would describe it a little bit between a sage green and a leafy green. It is such a nice colour, and I'm just kind of envisioning the cream beforehand and then this green together for like spring floral nails. I just think it would be so pretty together. And I really didn't need to do 2 coats on this. The first coat was enough, but I did 2 coats anyway. This is how it looks after the 2 coats, but it really genuinely did not need that second coat. Next up is called Midnight Kiss, and this is a really unusual grey colour. So it's, first of all, I thought I saw a bit of brown in it, but I think it's just grey. It's a dark grey colour, and it is, again, 1 coat coverage. I did not do a second coat on this one. It really didn't need it. So when I hold it up to you here in a second, that is 1 coat, and that is how it stayed, because I figured it was just wasting product doing 2 coats of this one. Another thing that I was wondering about the Korean formula was, would it have the same opacity as the other Madame Glams? And they definitely do, especially these cream gels here. Now the glitters do need to be built up a little bit, as I'm going to show you now. The first glitter I'm going to show you is called Glam Resolution, and it has to be seen in real life to be appreciated. It is such an unusual glitter, and when I saw that there was 2 glitters in the collection, I knew I just had to pick them just to see what they were like. So the first coat, you can just see hints of green in it. There's like a coppery, orangey gold, like nearly like a bronzy gold glitter. This is what it looks like after 1 coat. And then I'm going to show you after 2. So I kind of build up the colour a little bit on the swatch stick. I kind of play with the glitter and pull it around the place just to give it that full coverage, so that when you're looking at it, you know exactly what colour you're looking at. And you also could layer it over colours as well, though. If you just wanted to do 1 coat over, say, a pastel or something, you could definitely layer this. But this is 2 coats here, and this is stunning. I love unusual glitters. I really am a fan of glitter in any shape or form, but really unusual glitters like this I just love. They are so unique and such a good thing to have. So this one here is the last colour in the collection, but this is another glitter, and I am just painting on the same again. 1 coat first, that's 1 coat of it, and then I'm going to build up the second coat. So this screams, like when I looked at it at first, I thought New Year's Eve nails or around Halloween nails, but really you could wear it anytime. It's just one of those edgy kind of black colours, black and gold mixed together, and stunning. Like, I have a couple of clients that I know would reach for this. Just 1 or 2 I can think of straight away that would reach for something like that. And that is the 5 colours that I received from Madame Glam. I'm so happy that I received them and so grateful and so happy to share them with you. I do have a discount code. It's 35% off, and I will leave it in the description box if you want to use it. Go ahead. And also they are still available on the website, because I did check before I recorded this voiceover, and they are all still there as a bundle and separately. So thank you so much for watching. In my next video, I'm going to do a look with these colours just to showcase how we can do some nail art with them. And I look forward to seeing you in that one.